Now let's discuss pronoun. Pronoun. Replacement of a noun. So we know that noun is a name of person, place, or thing. So if you would like to make your sentence unique, because it's not good to keep on repeating the same word, a same name in each sentence of the paragraph. So it's better to replace it with the right pronoun. So replacement of a noun. So here I'm going to give you an example of person. Person here you can set yourself which category you are belong. If you're the first person, it means that you are the one talking to. Second person, if the another person, you're referring to another person. And the third person, not the first and the second, it's third, the other person. And then you can use subjective. So these are the cases, subjective cases. So it depends on which case you want you want to use the pronoun. So if it's for subjective, you can use I for yourself, or if you are more if you are a group, you can use we. Like I am going to. So if you're not alone, you can use we. For the second person, you can use you. Subjective. So subject, the word subject is doer. So you need to think who's the doer. So you and the third person can use he for the male, she for the female, it for the lifeless, or they if it's plural. And then we have objective. So what do you mean by objective case? In objective case, this is the receiver. So for I, you can use me, and then we can change it to us. Okay. He loves who? Us. Subjective. And then you still same. And then third person, he will become him. She will become her. It will stay like that. It. And then they, them. And then the last case is the possessive case. So what do you mean by possessive case? Possessive case is like an ownership. So I'm taking ownership. So for me, change it to mine. So when you use mine, it's mine. It's mine. I own it. Like, or mine, and then for us, you can use our or ours. For you, your or yours. So when you are using yours, it means that that belongs to you. And then him, his, and then for her, hers, her or hers, and then it's so same, and then you can change it theirs. Theirs, their or theirs. Okay?